Rum Raisin coconut muffin tops are baked in a shallow 4-inch muffin top pan with a large surface area for a baked sugar crust that can be covered with a sweet cinnamon rum drizzle icing. To make 6, prepare your pan with butter and a dusting of flour, and macerate 60 grams chopped raisins with 30 grams of a good quality rum for a half hour. Then scale the dry and wet ingredients separately. For the dry, mix 115 grams flour, 60 grams sugar, 25 grams brown sugar, 2 grams baking powder, and a gram of salt, leaving a little well in the center for the wet ingredients. Then mix the rum and raisins with 50 grams coconut milk, 25 grams coconut oil, 2 eggs, and pour into the well. Next, mix to combine using the muffin method, which is to fold the dry into the wet ingredients using less than 20 strokes. Then portion the batter into the prepared pan and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Serve the rum raisin muffin tops the same day they are baked as is, or with a cinnamon rum drizzle icing, which is to dissolve 50 grams of cinnamon icing sugar with 5 grams of rum and 15 grams of coconut milk. Then mix until smooth and spread a generous layer over top.